Okay, quick Friday morning radar update. So we've got inside days so far, a little bit weak. Expect an extremely boring holiday market today. Anything more will be a bonus, I suppose. Swing days posted in some of the US markets yesterday. The Qs, the transports, the S&P, Nasdaq. Let's just jump through those. Actually, I'll just go Nasdaq comp first. We haven't got the volume through yet for the Nasdaq, but I expect it will come through as a high volume day. Yeah, pretty normal action. The zone of interest there above the base. Got a swing day on the transports. Well, that's nice to see, isn't it? We want to see a swing day on the transports. Industrials, S&P swing day. We got more volume yesterday on the S&P than we had in the prior, all the way back to this swing point here. Not seeing so many distribution weeks there. Looks like accumulation in my world. Time will tell. Answers on a postcard. That's that 100. Russell. DAX. Obviously, just a normal pullback. FTSE 100. Just normal back and fill there. 250. Potential right side of base on 250 small caps. Moving on. Let's just jump in. Let's just have a look where crypto's been going. We've just been drifting around in mean trend area. A little bit of dollar strength again. And TLT, lower side of the range here. So upper side on the dollar, lower side on TLT. Normal pullback on cable. Jump into find mean trend on that pullback on gold. Zoom out, as we always say. Zoom out to see the real levels in the market. Very obvious levels up there, weren't they? Big loose base on gold. And let's just go to oil as well. We're still in a downtrend. Kind of bearish channel here. Can it hold? Can it hold and turn into a base? Moving on. So into the volume leaders today. It is 9:15. We should have traded 15% to be on average volume. And I'll just order these in order of sector. We've got a few investment trusts. Japan being a theme there. SRT Marine. This is a lose less scenario. Turnover ticking up strongly. Not sure why that turnover is ticking up strongly. Maybe it was an acquisition. Do your own research. I'm not going to be interested in that one. Ramsden's. Moving on, a little sort of bit of green on today. SPR tick down in the forward numbers, up in the turnover, down in the pre-tax, down in the earnings per share. Moving on into the industrial metals. Just buzz through these. hills, we kind of talked about that one, haven't we? Opened a little bit frothy, as they tend to do around a base level, and obviously you know how to approach that if it's part of your plan. Rockfire Resources. There's a little bit of news on that one today. Very illiquid little narrow base on that. Moving on. CHLL Chill Brands. Lines in the sand. Continues. My stomach's rumbling like anything. I need to go and get some breakfast. Hopefully that's not coming off the microphone. Oh, this, you know, we're seeing a few REITs again. This one's been pumped forever and a day. But I don't know if it was up New River all the way back here. I can't remember. But since I've been in front of the screens full time, which is all of this chart and more, yeah. Moving on. Card, reverse fold base, and into the last few tops. Net call through the baseline. Obviously, we've covered that in depth. That's the volume leaders today. Obviously, it's nice to see a couple in there. What as a group we are part of. It's going to be. I'd expect it to be a very quiet day. We'll see how the day goes. Nice sunny day. Get away from the screens, I would say. Okay.